Hello friends, this is Dr. Abhijit Singh Jadeja. I would like to represent today TREEVIEW. TREEVIEW is having a two types, static and dynamic. Here that is a group box that is called static TREEVIEw, where there is a photographs and all the things are there, where we can use the type of photography and photography into that one nature. This is grandfather and after the father, and these are the children. So this is one type of inheritance view. It is called tree view. And if we go for a modeling photograph, then traditional, westerns, and people, that is business people, blogger, beggars, service sectors. So friends, this is a tree view where uh, we develop as a statically. If I would like to close this form and I would like to run it again, this tree view is as it is. Because it is a static, my cursor is moving, you can see that. And along with this is called dynamic tree view, where you can add the data. Suppose if I go for adding records, this is my input box. It is something like text box, so I'm using listen. My parent node add as a listen. I will go for games. When games are there, in racing, I would like to. I select racing and I add. Then car racing. Look, there is a child node added. In a racing, I would like to add bike racing. Then bike racing is there. Then after I select the racing, and I would like to add child node. That is uh, horse racing is there. Into the games, I would like to create two parameters that is called outdoor games. You can see outdoors. And second is indoor. Indoor is there. In outdoor, I would like to go for a cricket. You can see that cricket is a part of outdoor. In outdoor, uh, football is an outdoor game. Then select outdoor, and I would like to add that is uh, volleyball. And in for indoor game, I would like to select indoor, and I would like to add the child node that is chess. You can see that in chess, indoor selected, and table tennis. So here we can say that when we create, this is static preview, parent-child relationship, and this is dynamic. In dynamic, we prepare a very nice structure. So if I select football and click on display, football display. If I select indoor and click on chess display, chess is there. If I will go that bike, then bike is there. If I will go for football, football is there. And most important thing, if I would like to remove the racing, this horse part, remove node. Only horse node is removed. If I would like to remove chess, suppose if I want to remove this whole indoor node with the sub nodes, if I click on that, oh my god, that whole node and sub node all are removed. If I go there, this is a parent node that you know racing, and I will remove it, then that particular parent node remove, grandparent node remove, and all the node remove. So let me understand how it works dynamically. So first of all, I click on that one, dim acts as a string, this is a variable. This is an input box that you learn first time. By that input box, this is a message, enter the data for TREEVIEW, and this is a title TREEVIEW heading. Now, this condition is very important. If TREEVIEW2.selected node is nothing, if you do not select any node, this condition will check. And this particular TREEVIEW.nodes.add x, your string value, x as index. If condition true, then parent node add. Racing add हुआ, game add हुआ. This is called parent. और मान लीजिए if you select game, then this condition will not true. Nothing mean. Now you select the games, and then after TREEVIEW 2 dot selected node dot nodes dot add x comma x. X means string what you want to add, and x means that index value that you supply. So whenever you add the nodes dynamically, you provide the string value because you enter this value by input box. Please kindly concentrate. Input box. So whenever you add this, you need two parameters: x, that string value itself, and the x, that is index position. That's it. So by this particular way, you can add child node and parent node by this way. Node parent, and if you select any node, then press add node button. New data will be a child node. Okay. Now this is a display button. When I click on it, message box TREEVIEW2 dot selected node dot text means whatever the node you select, it display in my message box. And when you remove the node, same like that, TREEVIEW2 dot selected node dot remove. It's very simple to understand for this. So friends, this is really very nice, and dynamically by this particular code, string declare, runtime you enter the string, TREEVIEW dot selected node is nothing. Then if you do not select any node, then TREEVIEW dot nodes dot add parent node added. If you select any node, then this condition will not true and it will go to else part, and TREEVIEW2 dot selected node dot nodes dot add x string value and index value both pass, and by this child node add, the new data will be a child node. So this is a tree where we add parent node, child node, and all. If you want to learn how this particular node is selected, so I will go to TREEVIEW property, and in TREEVIEW property there is a node sergeant. You can see that when this is a photography landscape, I want to delete them. Okay. Nature, mountain, people, business person, beggars, service sectors. Into this people, I would like to add node search, that is node 15. I go there, text, and teachers. Look, teachers is there. Now you go to photography, go to people, teachers are there. Modeling, nature. For static, you please be remember one most important property, that is called nodes property. In this nodes property, this property is most important. Why? That collection is there. Look, if you want to add root node, I go there, node 16 is there. Would like to add KSV University. In KSV University, if I would like to go to child node, computer, in computer I would like to add child node, you know, BCA. Computer, I would like to add child node, node 19, MCA. Computer only, child node, node 20, MSc IT. Okay, after this KSU University I'll child node 21. I would like to go for management. In management, child node, node 22. Select BBA, select go to management, and child node 23 is there, and I would like to go for MBA. So friends, this is really very nice. I would like to execute. This is a static preview that I added by nodes program. Photography, all this, KSU University, computer. If I expand management, look, the scroll bar comes. So this is one of the best things for TREEVIEW. We added two parent node. Here there is two parent, photography and KSU University. And this is nature photography, modeling photography, people photography. If you go for a KSU University, two main streams are there, computer and management. If you go to the management, there are BBA and MBA. If you go for a computer, so this is a static and this is a dynamic. By this dynamic, you will use TREEVIEW2.nodes.add into the bracket x comma x. And if you want to make any child, TREEVIEW2.selectedNodes.nodes.add bracket x comma x. So this is Dr. Abhijit Singh Jadeja that would like to conclude your TreeView part for dynamic. This is a code for adding TreeView node at dynamic time runtime for adding parent node and child node. This is a code for remove any node, either it is parent, grandparent or child. TreeView2.selectedNode.remove. Very simple. And the last display message box TreeView2.selectedNode.text. It will display as a message box. So thank you so much to complete TreeView statically and dynamically. Thanks.